Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to add photo frames to images using preset templates in PhotoDirector 365. So here is an original image to which I've applied a frame using one of the many templates, and here is another example of a preset frame. So let me show you how to do this. In the new version of PhotoDirector 365, you'll see these two options when you open the app. Click on the Edit option, and it will open the PhotoDirector app in guided mode. First, we need to import our image. You can drag and drop it in this area. I'll click on this Add Photo button, which is what I'm going to do. Next, navigate to your folder, choose your image, and click Open. So here is the image that I'm going to be using. I'm in the guided section of PhotoDirector. Drop down Frames and Watermarks, and then choose Frame Templates. You'll see this default section open. Here are many different frame templates, as you can see. Let me scroll back up, and then I'll click on this template number 5. And as you can see, in just one click, it applied the frame. You can favorite a template by clicking on this heart icon, which is available on each of the photo frame templates. Let me close this section by clicking here. There are several sections here, as you can see. For example, let me open this geometry section. And as you can see, there are a ton of photo frame templates in this section alone, which you can apply with just one click. Let me close this section and then go to the scrapbook section. And as you can see, there are a ton of frame templates here as well. So you have a variety of different templates to use. I'll go to my favorite section, where I've marked a few of the frames as favorites. And let me apply a few of these frame templates so you can get an idea of the huge choice you have. Once you're happy with the frame template, you can export it. To do so, click on the Export button at the top, choose your folder, give it a file name, and then click Save. But that's pretty much it. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.